Thank you po.
Everyone has been very supportive. And of course, a new face, we are launching a new face, JC Santos!
Salamat po ako sa Dreamscape sa pagtitiwala sa akin na binigay yung character ni Ali. Maraming salamat po. Maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Kinakabahan po ako. Pero naging enjoy naman ako. Isa tong magandang journey hanggang natin. Maraming salamat. Yun lang ako masabi.
Thank you, JC, and of course, the game changer director in film and television, Antoinette Adame!
Maraming
Iba ka kasi talaga
Kaya thank you very much po sa lahat na nagpunta today. Sobrang dami po. Maraming salamat po. And I'm very thankful sa Dreamscape, ay Sir Deo, for giving me an opportunity to direct another love story under Dreamscape. Kasi love stories talaga yung nasa puso ko. So, very happy ako na every week may bubuin kami love story.
Hindi ka na yata makakawalan ng DVD. And of course, I'm so excited to see you together, James and the team! Nat, okay, go ahead.
Magandang hapon po. Maraming salamat sa Day Monitor. Thank you so much. Sana excited kayo sa Till I Met You. And it's good to be back in front of me. Thank you so much. Jason.
Ayun, good afternoon po. Maraming salamat po for being here. And of course, Dreamscape po, Sir Deo, maraming salamat po for another wonderful opportunity. Sobrang excited na po kami. Sana po kayo din. Thank you po.
Alright, thank you so much.